how to sell ebooks in Gumroad. So before any of this, of course, make sure you already have your ebook ready. Everything is set. All you have to do now is to place it in shop. So log into your Gumroad account. If you don't have one, of course, create one. And then go ahead to the product section. And then find this, which is the new product button. We're going to press on that, and then make sure you choose the digital product option. You can set the price. In our case, let's just go ahead with dollars, and then we're going to put it on 10 since it's just for an example. And then we're going to take a look at the name. We're going to go ahead and name it whatever we want, and then finally we can customize. So we can put in the description of our book. We can take a look at a preview, but you can place in the URL for your ebook. You can upload images or videos to your product, add a thumbnail if you like, product info. Let's say you have the call to action, buy this, or you want this. A small summary, since that's what pretty much a summary means, of course. And then finally, some additional details. You could put in some integrations if you like. The pricing is still here, versions, some settings, custom domain if let's say the ebook was from that domain, or just a different kind of domain entirely. You have the content, so you can edit that from here, the final receipt, and you can share as well if you'd like. But anyways, once that's done, you can just go ahead and save and continue. Make sure everything is previewed and set to your preference. And then you can share your link, which is basically over here. And you can also connect your email markets. But this is pretty much the basic idea on how you can upload or sell your ebooks in Gumroad. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.